Hi guys, welcome to RJ Fashion Hall. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Before entering into the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload the video. Please like and share this video to friends and family members. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll provide those links in the description box. Yeah, I ordered few things in Ajio before lockdown, but because of lockdown, I received those products recently. So I just want to show you all those things which I ordered in Ajio. Yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. Knowingly or unknowingly, I ordered 3 products of same color. Yeah, I'll show you one by one. This is the first one. This is Anarkali Kurti and these of mustard color. Actually, I ordered this in XL, but I received the product in XS, extra small. Yeah, this is the product. I just want to exchange these products. Yeah, and these are the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. And there is a sale on Ajio before lockdown, so during sale time I ordered these things. I think the prices are same now also. I'll try to give the links in the description box. And this is the Anarkali part, and there is a gold color print all over, and there is a gold color border with some blue color detailing, lace border. Yeah, this is the front part, and on front also there is a small gold color thread work here on front part, and there is a back part. Back is also same print and same gold color border. Yeah, this is the first kurti, and I ordered this in Avasa brand. Avasa is a famous brand, and you can find this brand in Ajio and few other. I think not only in Ajio. I think you can find this brand only in Ajio. Actual price of this one is 12.99, but I think all the products which I ordered are below 700 or 800 rupees. Yeah, this is the first one. I have to exchange this one because I received extra small. I ordered this pink color skirt, and this is the waist part, and there is a small gold color print and piping detailing here on waist part, and these are the tassels to tie, and there is a small, I think there is a zipper part here on one side of the skirt. If there is a zips, then it will be very comfortable, and it will give a nice shape. So this is the skirt part, and there is a gold color print all over. Yeah, this is the border, and this is also gold color print. Yeah, this is the length of the skirt, and there are different colors in this skirt. It had 3 to 4 options. I think pink, blue, and green, and few other colors. But I thought pink will be very bright, and I ordered this one. Yeah, both front and back has same gold color print. Yeah, this is the front part and this is the back part. Both has the same gold color print, and this is the border. And I think, yeah, inside there is a lining. It's a crepe lining, a pink crepe color lining. And this also I ordered in 600 to 700 range. Yeah, this is another skirt. If you pair this skirt with a crop top, or else you can use this as the Indo-Western style also. You can match this with this type of white color top, and you can match this with the crop top also. It will have a different look. And I ordered another skirt. This is also mustard color or yellow color, whatever it is. Yeah, this is the waist part, and it doesn't have any belt to tie. I mean any knots to tie. It has a elastic part, but this lehenga has things to tie. Yeah, and this is another one. Yeah, and it has a print all over here on bottom part. From half of the part it has a print like this. Yeah, this is another skirt, and in this also there are different color options, but I ordered this yellow color. And this is the back part. Back part also has the same print which is in the front part. Yeah, this is also very lightweight, and I think these are very suitable. I mean these type of lehengas you can wear for a long time, and you can comfortable in this type of lehenga. So I ordered this one. Actually I saw this lehenga in one of the stores, so I particularly ordered this one. This is the lehenga. And coming to the size, I ordered this in a double XL, and the actual price of this one is, oh my god, 1699 rupees, almost 1700. And I ordered this for 700 or 750 rupees. I just forgot that one. I'll try to insert the price on the screen, and I will try to give the link in the description box. Yeah, this is another. I already told that there are different color options in the same skirt. And coming to the next one, this one is also of mustard color. Actually, I tried this in one of the stores and I forgot the size. But I ordered this in XL size. Yeah, this XL size is a very bigger size to me. So I'm trying to put exchange of this product. But the site is not updated. Even though I received the products, the status is showing that I'm not received that. This still in pending. Yeah, these are the sleeves. Is of 3/4 sleeves. It has a small border on the end of the sleeves. Yeah, this is the front part, and there is a small cut here. Here is the front part, front neck part, and yeah, this is the front neck, and it is a simple round neck. And this is also a brand called Avasa, and I ordered this in XL size. Yeah, and here there is a gathering here on front part, and as well as on front and back there is a gathering, and there is a long slit here. Yeah, there is a long slit here. I'll try to insert a picture, or else I'll try on these products. Except this one, because this is extra small. I just can't try this one. Yeah. And there is a border here on the end of the kurti, and it has a print, and all over the kurti there is a gold color print. I think it is not visible in the video. If possible, I will try to make it near. Yeah, both front and back have the same print and same border. It has a huge flare, and there is a front slit here. Yeah, I love the pattern of this kurti, and I tried in one of the stores, so I put this one in order. Unfortunately, this is the very biggest size to me. Yeah, this one. And the actual price of this one is also 1699 rupees, and on sale I got this around 600 to 700 rupees. Yeah, this is the last one. These are the products I ordered in Ajio. I think the sale is still going on. So if you wish, you can put an order in Ajio. I'll try to give the links in the description box. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll definitely enjoy this video. Before ending up the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to friends and family members. Follow me on Instagram. I'll try to update everything in Instagram, and follow me on Facebook page. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Keep smiling, stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.